Why did I make a max and min value function in Power BI? Well, we have a client that does that's involved in oil drilling, and drilling takes days or even weeks. And a drilling job has many things that can change, but one of the main things that changes is a bit size that's actually on the drill. What I needed was a way to find the date a drill hit the total depth based on several factors before I even grouped the data. And for anyone familiar with Power Query, the grouping is most likely going to take place in Power Query. So obviously, I can find the min date and the max date using DAX with actual functions in DAX. And of course, some people out there might be saying, well, we have the min and max features in grouping for Power Query in the GUI even. However, that wasn't going to work for me because there were some crucial calculations that needed to be done based on the date on the line. And if I grouped and tried to find that min and max date during the grouping, I would lose those intermediary dates where things may have changed that I needed to take note of. So one thing that was extremely important, one thing that was apparent to me was that even though I'm grouping all of the data, the daily data into a job level metric, I needed the min and max date before I even grouped them. Therefore, I could not do this in DAX. And this was crucial to the most basic business requirements of this report. So what I did was I just created a function that allowed me to get the date before I performed the critical transformations. And this was done through Power Query M advanced functions.